Smooth as sugar sweet. You got what I need. Sipping on the potion. All that good emotion. Just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat.
So we're super excited about today. We have been working on a bungalow. We have a couple videos that we've already done, and today is the reveal of the entire space.
Welcome to Emilee and Laura. I'm Emilee.
And I am Laura.
And please like and subscribe. Your support means the world to us. So we'll just recap what we've already shared with you this far. We did an entryway and a gallery wall. In the entryway, we added a wainscoting wall with some pegs for a kind of a faux coat closet.
Right,
with
right, because
shoe
they're using the coat closet and their master.
We kind of created this kind of entry point for them out of just a wall that was there.
And Emilee and I built this.
Yes.
Just want to note that.
And we painted the entire space.
We did. So this space was, as the homeowner says, prison blue.
Yeah.
And so we came in and painted it white.
Yep.
And wow, what a difference it made.
Huge.
Just brought so much light into this bungalow and just made it feel so much taller than it was. And so it was a perfect backdrop for us. They have artists in the family and they have friends that are artists. Yep. So they already had a ton of artwork. So we didn't have to bring any artwork in. No. We were missing some pieces here and there, which you can see in our console table video where we kind of improvised and created some art.
Yes, with the gallery wall.
Right, because we were on a budget.
We definitely maximized with a very, very tight budget. I mean, the impact that we've made with this has been amazing. So just going through the entryway, we added a nice big entry rug. And then when you move into the console area, they have a place to set their keys, to put their purse, that kind of a thing. It has storage.
This house was built in the 1940s, and those homes don't have a lot of storage.
Yeah.
No,
and we
not a lot of
also
closets.
added light because it didn't have any overhead light built in.
Nothing.
So we have this beautiful wall sconce light that is just a plug and play kind of thing, and it is super cool.
Oh yeah, you have to buy this. This is the coolest thing. I mean,
and you know,
it's my favorite.
Accessorize it with just a few things: a plant, a candle. The next space we're going to share with you today, the main focal point of this entire room, the fireplace living room kind of situation, which we also needed to make into a desk area for working at home. And then because it flows into the dining room, it all needed to be cohesive.
The rug anchors the room. So we got this great rug. It has blues and, you know, kind of a really soft orange.
Yeah.
Kind of a rusty orange, right? And ivory. And so that really was our color palette.
We started off with a beautiful couch that was the perfect dimension for the space.
The couch you can see when you enter the home. So we needed something that was attractive from the back. So we got this curved sofa, which is so sexy from the back, and just kind of actually takes you into the living space.
Yes.
So as you come into this space, you have this curve and you just kind of want to walk around the curve. Our clients had a 1970s glass coffee table. We had to use that. It was iconic, beautiful, and so we anchored the space with this coffee table. The furniture had to have a multi-purpose function inside of this space. It's not a huge space, so we have to figure out how can we get more seating in here and take it from one area and use it in another. We found this really cool chair on Amazon, and it fit the space. It was small, and you know, the gray color was just popped inside of the room against the white. And then we had another chair that was at the desk area that Emilee mentioned, because there is a workspace in this area. We got a desk that looks like a console, so that when you're not at it working, it looks just like a console table in front of the window. We took a dining chair, we put this great sheepskin on it, and it is just so cute.
It's adorable. I mean, really, they love to entertain. They're a young couple, and it's getting ready for wedding season for them. So they're gonna have family and friends over, and we needed the most out of this space as we could. So the chair, multifunctioning, is awesome. The desk, it can also hold your drink when you're just part of...
I love that part of it.
Yeah.
You know, you just turn the chair around. Now it's part of the seating space.
Yeah.
And then you just have a space right there for your drink, whatever you have in your hand.
Exactly.
And you're part of the conversation space.
And it also houses another lamp. And then speaking of lamps, we have this awesome
cute.
floor lamp that, again, is multifunctional because it has a built-in little ledge for your drink, for
Yeah.
your plate, for whatever, your book. I mean, it's so cute.
Yeah, so it has a marble base,
Yeah.
and it's brass, and it's all in one, a table and a lamp. We love it. It was a really cute find, and we got that on Amazon too.
I know.
So
We'll have all the links down below because
Yeah.
we know that you're gonna need some of these items. One of the things that goes in throughout the main floor here are new shades.
oh, love these shades. They made the
Oh,
space.
huge difference. And this company we ended up finding on Amazon. We looked at the reviews. The customer service was great. We dealt with a couple little setbacks as far as the way that the mounting brackets were on the corner unit windows. We needed to have them shortened just a smidge after we installed. And they were amazing to work with. I would highly recommend them. Service was amazing. So
And the turnaround was pretty quick.
it really was, and they're beautiful. And then because the fireplace was just so, it
was
needed
bad.
a makeover.
Yeah, and there wasn't any room in the budget to
No.
do a whole lot to it.
Yeah. So I think we work magic.
Oh my God, yeah. So this insert really doesn't even fit the fireplace. It was the previous owner's idea of doing a fireplace, and right now it's not in the budget to do a new insert. So we just embraced it and said, okay, we're gonna just make it look as good as possible. So we painted out the fireplace all white. It had red brick. I think that made a huge difference.
Yeah.
And then we found these stickers on Amazon, and they are vinyl stickers, and we just laid them over the tile on the bottom, and it made all the difference in the world.
Cutest
I know,
thing
it's so
ever. I mean,
cute.
honestly, when you look at it, you can't tell it's
No.
not real tile.
No, it looks like real tile.
Yes.
Yeah.
We're very, very pleased with how that turned out.
Yeah. So the next space is the dining room. And the dining room opens up into this living space, and that is where this desk chair comes from.
Yes.
So we got a new dining light.
Yes, we were able to actually replace the only light that is on the ceiling in this entire space.
Yeah.
So it was like, ooh, let's make this a really fun light. So multiple glow balls and that pop of gold. It looks so fun.
And we kept it close to the ceiling. We
Yes.
wanted something to drop down from the ceiling, but we couldn't drop anything too low because the ceilings are all already very low.
Yeah.
And so we got this semi-flush fixture, and I love it.
I do
just think it
too.
adds, it's the jewelry inside of that space.
Absolutely.
Yeah, which all lighting is jewelry. It's like when you get dressed up and go someplace and you put your jewelry on to finish your outfit, that is what lighting and window treatments do for a house.
Yeah, we again found an amazing rug that didn't match completely to the other two rugs in the space, but complemented.
Very cohesive.
Yes.
Yeah, they all work together really nicely, and
Yes.
they're all have their own moment.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's very important to not just go out and buy a set of all the same rugs.
Oh, yeah, for
You do
sure.
not want to do that. We have just the dining set that they already had. We just now added the accent chairs to that, and the window treatments, and the art, and the paint, and voila.
We were able to find the table, right?
Yes.
For free.
Yeah.
So we needed a table. We were out of budget. The table that was in there was too big, and we found this tulip table, which is exactly what we wanted for this space anyway. And then we just got lucky. Somebody was giving it away for free.
Yep.
So Emily
we
went,
lucked out.
snatched it up, and
Yep.
there you go.
Coat of paint, and it's good to go.
So there you go. That is our bungalow, living room, and dining room.
Renovation.
Yeah,
It turned out so good.
It is.
I'm so obsessed. So we have two different videos that are the entryway and the gallery wall to show you how to do that. But then now that we have completed the space, couldn't be more thrilled.
Yeah, we were so excited to show you the living space and the dining room and how they all work together.
The fireplace transformation.
Oh my gosh, the window treatments.
Oh, the multifunctional purposed furniture.
Yes, yeah.
I mean,
Yeah, we
too
took
much.
a very, very small space and we did as much as we could. We have a workspace, a conversational living room space, an entry space, and this gallery wall. And it all came together, and we are really excited about it. And we hope that you've really enjoyed it, and maybe we've given you some ideas.
Yeah, and comment below and let us know what your favorite part was.
Yeah,
I mean,
what
there's
is your favorite part?
I'd have to say, that's just too hard. The window treatments.
Yeah,
I have to say.
Yeah.
My favorite, just because it was such a
It
find.
was the icing on the cake.
Yeah.
Right?
But then I love the rugs, and then I love the lights.
It's hard,
and
isn't
Oh,
it?
it's just too much.
Yeah.
So let us know what you think.
Yeah, mine, I think it might be the wainscoting wall.
Oh, gosh.
Because it actually is functional, right?
Yeah.
And it's super cute.
I know.
I mean,
It's
I just love
beautiful.
it.
It looks like it was here the whole
Yeah,
time.
and of course the light, the
Yeah.
wall sconce. You know how much I love the wall sconce. I keep talking about it. So if you like it, you can go down and buy it.
Please like and subscribe if you've enjoyed today's content. We really appreciate your support, and we can't keep doing what we love without it.
Now, thank you so much.